are grateful and also thank the organizers of the Woodtech Africa 2022 exhibition and also a conference, whereby a lot has to be shared, the technologies and also what is happening when it comes now to the wood production.
We need high efficiency in processing, because Kenya is a low forest cover country, is a low wood country, and so the more we improve on efficiencies, the more we are likely to remain in business.
Efficiency is very important. What I've seen there, the machineries we have here, some are new to us for the very first time. But I've seen machinery here and the kind of work they're going to do is a game changer for this country. We use less material, produce strong equipment and products which are valued heavily. That is adding value to whatever we have. Let us follow those lines.
Mine is to appreciate the organizers for this conference. The machinery, the equipment, the value addition is amazing. It's amazing.
There is a huge investment or potential in forestry production, processing, the trade and utilization, and looking at the entire value chain, you find that it becomes a very key employer.